Hey, what's good everybody? It's your boy Adam. Today we're going to be going over a nice little snack that you can make in less than 5 minutes. It's pretty good, pretty tasty, and it will meet, give you a little bit of protein, a little bit of flavor, and yeah, it's one of my personal favorites. I like it. I generally do it when I don't have any time or if I want something quick for lunch. Because we're all adults here, or we're going to be adults at some point or another, so time management is a skill to learn. And if you can learn how to cook something in less than 5 minutes, those 5-minute snacks will be saving your life. Because nothing is worse than being at work and you ain't got no food in your stomach. You're just hungry. You're just sitting there like, ah. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for today's video, you're gonna need one thing of low-calorie ranch, spring mix lettuce, some type of lunch meat. It can be honey smoked, it can be hickory smoked, it's up to you. I prefer turkey honey smoked, all right? So, tomato, some type of wrap. It doesn't have to be this wrap. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is not my favorite wrap. It's what I had though. So for this video, we will be using green wraps. But if you don't want to use green wraps, I recommend getting just a regular low-calorie wrap that's not green. But either way, it's gonna be good. All right. And finally, fat-free cheese. So let's get it. La 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 shucks. Oh yes, you're definitely gonna need a knife as well. It's not a knife, it was a K in it, okay? So it's a knife. I don't know why I keep calling it a knife, like there ain't no K in it. Y'all crazy. Let me see if I can get this camera angle up. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna go up on a Tuesday. Ooh, ooh, look at that. All right, now we're in business. Okay, let me make sure y'all can see what the hell I be doing. All right, so real simple, real easy. You take the wrap, gonna pull that bad boy out. You're gonna give it a kiss of good luck. And then, actually, look at that. Chopped up and the rest of it's wrapped up. That's what I call video editing magic. All right, so you got it all nice and chopped up. Next, you're gonna set that aside. You don't want that right now. You don't want that. Just sit right there. You sit right there, okay? You've done your part. Now, take your ranch. You're gonna put it up there like so. It's gonna be real fancy. Ooh, look at that. Lose a little more than I thought. We're gonna run with it. All right. Then you take a spoon and smooth it out. Boom, 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 like that. Ooh. Let me tell you something. I'm exhausted. Just hit the gym. Did a bunch of cardio. Cardio just depletes the mess out of you. So, all right, here we go. Now you can see the serving size on the back. Serving size is 4 slices. That's 90 calories. So I usually take about 8 slices. You know what I'm saying? Because a boy be hungry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you follow my tips in the last video, you could you'll notice you'll be saving a lot of calories, especially with that diet drink one. You start doing diet drinks, and you will see the results. You will see it. Shoot, I don't remember how many I put up there. Just put as many to your heart content. Honestly, it's so low calories. Look at that. Delicious. All right. All right, next, we're gonna take this lovely stuff right here, and we're gonna make something out of it. But first, the cheese. Cheese. Look at that. Fat-free cheese. Now, serving size of this is 1/4 cup. Look at that. How many calories is that? It's probably, if it's backwards, then ooh, that's not good. But 45 calories. 45 calories. Think about that. 45 calories for 1/4 cup. Ain't that crazy? But the amount of cheese I put up there is probably like 1/2 cup, so maybe about 90 calories. Regular cheese is way more. Trust me. I'm probably gonna put it up there. What's the facts? How much is How much is the calories in regular cheese versus fat-free cheese? God! But save them calories, man. Save them when you can. All right, so you just take the tomato, That's what we clean our counters for, you know what I'm saying? I love me some tomato. I love me some fruits and vegetables. Right. I'm gonna put this bad boy up here. Look at that. Spring mix lettuce. You put a lot of that junk up there. Spring mix. There we go. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. And you take a little bit more of the ranch. I like just put a little garnish on the top, just a tiny little bit. Come on. Don't spill out now like you did last time. Come on. Gosh. Here you go. Drip, drop, boom, and there you go. That's it. That's all she wrote. You're gonna take this. You're gonna wrap it up. This is how you wrap a wrap. You take one side, you fold it in, bring it to the center, push everything down. You let it know it's gonna be okay. So you put your hand on top of it. You gotta let it know it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. And then you just gently roll it while you're holding everything on the other side. Boom, like that. Boom, boom. Eating everything that spills out. Yep. And look at that. It's a little messy, but that's the gist of it. Now see, there's your wrap. Then you would take it. Then put a plate or Tupperware, you know, whatever you choose to, whatever your dish of choice is, you know. If you're gonna take it to work or whatever, you just cut it down in half. There you go. You got yourself a nice, little healthy snack. Ooh. And there you go. A nice little quick little 5-minute snack. That took you literally no time at all. Look at that. That's it. A little taste test. That right there, that's money. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
That's my bad boy.